Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upload photos to iCloud. So to upload photos to iCloud, you will need to ensure that iCloud Photos is enabled on your iPhone or other Apple devices. iCloud is a feature that automatically stores your photos and videos in iCloud, making them accessible across all your Apple devices. So first is to open your phone settings, and at the top of the settings menu, you will see your Apple ID profile picture and name. Tap on it, and then on this page, tap on iCloud, then tap Photos. From here, make sure that this is turned on to sync and upload your photos to iCloud storage. Once you've enabled iCloud Photos, the process of uploading photos is automatic. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.